Today we are talking about a topic that many men experience but very few openly discuss. Does intense training affect erection? The short answer is yes, it can. Exercise is one of the best things you can do for your body. Regular workout improve blood circulation, heart health, confidence, stamina, and even testosterone level. In fact, moderate exercise usually help improve sexual performance, but problem can start when training becomes excessive and recovery is ignored. Many people believe that pushing harder every single day will automatically make them healthier and stronger. But the human body does not work like a machine. It needs balance, it needs recovery, and when recovery is missing, the body starts sending warning sign. One of those warning sign can be reduced libido or difficulty maintaining erection. So why does this happen? First, let's talk about stress hormone. When you train too intensely for long period without enough rest, your body produce more cortisol, which is the main stress hormone. High cortisol level can temporarily lower testosterone production. Testosterone play a major role in male sexual health, energy, mood, and erections. So if testosterone drops and stress increases, sexual performance can suffer. And another important factor is fatigue. Imagining training hard every day, lifting heavy weight, doing intense cardio, sleeping only a few hours, and eating less than your body need. Eventually, your body becomes executed. It enters survival mode. And when the body is focused on survival and recovery, sexual function becomes less of a priority. That's why some athletes or gym lovers notice symptoms like low sex drive, weak erection, lack of morning erection, low energy, mood swing, poor workout performance. This condition is often linked to overtraining. Now let's discuss diet. A lot of people train aggressively while staying in a very low calorie diet to lose fat quickly, but the body still needs healthy fats, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, and enough total calories to maintain hormone production. If nutrition is poor, testosterone level may decrease, and that can directly affect erection quality. Healthy fats are especially important because hormones are built from fat. So avoiding fat completely can create hormonal imbalance over time. Sleep is another major factor. Many people underestimate sleep, but it's one of the most important things for most testosterone production recovery. Most testosterone release happens during deep sleep. So if someone sleep only 4 or 5 hours regularly while training intensely, the body may struggle to recover properly. Less recovery equal more stress. More stress can mean weaker performance, both in the gym and in sexual health. Now let's talk about cardio and cycling. Cardio itself is healthy, but excessive endurance training like very long distance running or cycling for many hours can sometimes affect hormone level or blood flow temporarily. In cycling, specifically push much pressure one certain nerve and blood vessels may contribute to numbness or erection problem in some men. But it's important not to misunderstand this. Exercise is not the enemy. Overtraining without recovery is the problem. Balanced training actually improve erection because erection depend heavily on good blood circulation and cardiovascular health. That's mean moderate workout, strength training, proper sleep, hydration, and nutrition usually improve male performance instead of harming it. So what should you do if intense training is affecting your erection? First, reduce training intensity for a short period and allow your body to recover. Second, improve your sleep schedule. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Third, eat enough calories. Include healthy fats, protein, fruit, vegetables, and carbohydrate in your diet. Fourth, stay hydrated and manage stress level. And finally, listen to your body pain. Low libido, constant fatigue, and poor erection are not sign of strength. They are sign that your body may need rest. If the problem continues for your severe week, it's important to consult a doctor because sometimes erection problem can also be linked to other health conditions. At the end of the day, fitness should support your overall health, including your mental health, hormones, energy, and confidence. Train smart, recover properly, and remember balance is the real key to long-term performance and health. Thank you for watching.